Do-it-yourselfers, craftsmen, and can-doers, now there is an easy and foolproof way to create your very own custom mats with our DIY ultra waterproof trimmable car floor mats. Simply remove an old mat and place it on top of the new fabric. Now trace the outer edges of the mat and start trimming to create an absolutely perfect custom fit for your vehicle floor. These ultra waterproof trimmable mats are made of rugged vinyl with coiled dense fibers that are comfortably soft, and the underside of the mat features an anti-skid hooked backing that locks the mat firmly in place. The mat's construction is impervious to water, snow, and slush and are super easy to clean. Just rinse with water to remove any unwanted mess. It even holds its shape in extreme temperatures. Perfect for your vehicle, front porch, or kitchen as well. The package comes with a built-in lifetime warranty, includes an instruction sheet, and fabric for one driver's seat mat, one extra large mat for creating the passenger side and rear mats, and enough leftover material for additional mats. You can choose from a variety of 6 colors or designs to complete your order.